super performance and super fuel economy in just 15 minutes. This is how to install a throttle controller in 3 simple steps. Here's what you'll need. First of all, the safety essentials, gloves and safety glasses. Then some basic hand tools, trim removers, a work light and a throttle controller kit. Throttle controllers are vehicle specific, so enter your rego into the Supercheap Auto My Garage feature and select your car to be shown the correct throttle controller for you. With a new throttle controller in your hands, you're ready for step 1, mounting the controller. Safely park up your vehicle and switch off the engine. Find a suitable location on the dash where you can see the controller and change the settings, without it being in your face, as some throttle controllers are a touch bright at night. Clean the mounting area of wax, grease and any interior protection before peeling the sticky backing and fixing your throttle controller in place. Already, you're on to step 2, connecting your throttle controller. Route the cable from your throttle controller down towards the accelerator cable, using cable ties as you go if necessary. This is where you may need a couple of hand tools to remove trim for easier access. Once you get to the accelerator pedal, locate and remove the plug, and fit this into the piggyback adapter for your throttle controller. Plug the other end of the piggyback adapter onto your accelerator pedal. Connect the controller and piggyback adapter, then turn on the ignition to ensure the throttle controller springs to life. If it does, replace any trims you've removed and it's time for step 3. Set up and drive. Your throttle controller is vehicle specific and preset except for transmission type. Check your specific instructions to set this for automatic or manual transmission. Now you're ready for a drive to get a feel for what your new throttle controller can do. Pull over occasionally to play with some settings and pretty soon you'll have a favourite mode for every situation. Find detailed instructions and more ways to help you make it super with Supercheap Auto's Super DIYs. Whoever you are, whatever you drive, make it super at Supercheap Auto.